Okay, we got two systems here. One is for the spa and the other one is for the pool. We're gonna start with the spa. Over here, we got the circulation pump, the booster pump for the spa. We got the filter for the spa, and behind here, we got the heater for the spa. Okay, everything started over here. These two pipes is the suctions. One is for the skimmers. We got a label here. And the other one is for the drain, the main drain inside to the spa. That is the suction, and it's coming to the circulation pump, and then it's pushing all the water through the backwash valve. The backwash valve, when you got the valve up there, the circulation is gonna come in over here in the middle, and it's coming for the top of the filter, and it's gonna cross through the sand. Everything here is full of sand. Over here, all the water is gonna come in through the sand, and it's gonna come down clear water, and it's going to the bottom pipe, and that bottom pipe, we got labels over here. That pipe is going over to the heater behind me. Over here on the heater is coming, one is inlet and the other one is outlet. And the inlet, before the heater, we got a split pipe over here. That is going to the chlorinator, because we don't have any chlorine into the heater, because we can make a damage on the heater. And after the heater, we're gonna join us with the chlorine water and going straight to the spa. Before, we got a bypass over here, because we can make we're gonna make a special pressure on the pool, on this heater over here, on the spa heater, because if you don't have enough pressure, you can adjust this valve and close the bypass, and everything is gonna go straight through the heater. But we're gonna open it a little bit, because we don't want the whole body of water crossing the heater. Okay, when we come in out of the heater, it's going to join with the chlorinator water, and it's going straight from this pipe straight to the spa. The spa returns. Over here, we still are into the spa. Over here, we got the booster pump. One pipe, the suction pipe, is coming straight from the main drains too, but it's different suctions, and it's going to the pump. It's gonna inject too much pressure straight to the spa jet, and that is gonna make a lot of pressure on the spa jet. Over here, in this section, we got the pool. Over here in the pool, we got the same situation over here, except over here we got 3 different suctions. One of the suctions is coming for the skimmer. The second one, the other one is coming for the main drain, and the other one is the vacuum port. That pipe is gonna that suction is coming from the guy, the maintenance guy is gonna hook up the hose for clean the pool. Well, everything is coming through the pump, and it's injected over here in this pipe, and in the same situation at the filter. It's crossing the sand, and it's going down to the main pipe, and we got the same situation for the pool here. It's in the same situation from the spa into the pool. It's coming with the chlorine. It's coming back to straight to the returns over at the pool. We got the top pipe is going when you're going to clean the sand over here. You're gonna push, move this valve or unlock the stick over here, and you're gonna push it down and lock it again, and all the water is gonna change the circulation inside to the filter. It's coming from the bottom. It's gonna remove the whole sand over there, and that sand with the dirt, with everything, is gonna go in the top over here straight to the drain. We got behind me over here, we got a sink for the drains over there. Both filters is gonna do the same thing. Every time when you move this valve, you need to do it with the motor off. You can move this valve with the motor running, because we got over here a rings of how can I say the check valve, yeah. And if you move it, that rings is gonna get out to the place that needs to be. Okay, that is the circulation. We got that other pipe over here, and this pipe is just taking air straight to the jets. That's make the therapy. When you start running, this booster pump is gonna suck air over here, and it's gonna inject the air with the pressure water. Okay, over here we got the main power. It's coming from the building, and over here you can shut it off, everything here. And over here we got our spa and pool controls breakers over here. We got spa lights and spa and pool lights, everything is labeled. That one is working with the clock timer too. For set the hours over here, you need to pull the disc over here, and you're gonna set, depends on what time is right now, you're gonna set the time over here and leave it up like that. And with these two pins, one is on and one is off, you can set whatever time you want the lights on. When the pin is crossing this point, it's gonna start running, and when this pin is crossing this, it's gonna stop it. We got the emergency stop switch over here. It's one bottom over at the pool area. It is working with this breaker. We got the therapy, and that means the booster pump. That is the breaker with GFI here. We got the spa filter pump, circulation pump with the GFI here, and the pool filter pump with the GFI here. We got one outlet here for the service. Over here, we got relays. That relays is working when you turn on one of the pumps, is gonna bring the power to the relay, and the relay is gonna shut it off, on or off the pumps over here. We got a circuits over here for the every lights. We got 3 lights on the pool and 1 light for the spa. Everything is connected over here inside there. I think this is everything.